Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create a monday.com account. So all you have to do is go to your browser and search monday.com and just press enter and it will take you to their official website. Alright guys, once you are on their website, on the top right corner here you have to search for this login option and press it, and it will take you to the login or sign up page. Here, as you can see on the login page, if you have an account, you can enter your details and you can sign in. Or if you don't have an account, you have to press this button called sign up. Don't have an account yet? Sign up. Press this sign up button and it will take you to another page which will allow you to create an account. Here, you can create your account with your Google Work account, or you can create by simply entering your email. All you have to do is to enter a email, like I'm entering a random one, but you have to enter your correct email and press continue, and now it is allowing you to enter your name and set up your password and your account name. And after you do that, you just press continue, and if it asks for any additional information like maybe your workspace name or whatever, you can just provide the information, and that's it. That's how you create a monday.com account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.